Hey guys, it's Abby with Smartass Sass, and I'm here to show you what was in this month's subscription box. So let's take a peek. September's theme was Rise and Grind, so it was all, let me grab our booklet, it was all morning related stuff or like hustling hard, stuff like that. So you always get this booklet that shows you everything you're getting, who it came from, where you can find them on social, everything like that. And then it also tells you next month's theme. So next month is like totally retro. So next month is going to be throwbacks. We've got song lyrics, we've got movie quotes, all kinds of things. It's really fun. So let's dig into Rise and Grind. So first up, I am going to show you the spoiler for this month. So let me show you the packaging for it first because it's just so cute. It was the mug from Emily McDowell. I took the mug out already, but you get it. So it comes in this really cute little box that makes it really easy to gift if you want to, but here is the mug itself. It says, "You are doing a fucking great job," and it's really colorful. It's also printed on both sides, which I love. It's 11 ounces, so it's a really good size, and it's also dishwasher and microwave safe, so super versatile. There's that. Okay, next we have this eye mask. So this is from Smartass Sass. We made one of these once before and people loved it so much that we were like, we gotta do it again. So here's the front of it. It says, "Punch today in the face." It is a hot and cold mask, so you can put it in the fridge. The cold is gonna help like with eye bags or when you have a headache. If you wanna use the hot version of it, you can pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I do that when I get like sinus headaches and stuff like that. But the back of it is this soft plushy fabric, so that's the part that you put on your face, and then it has a Velcro close and it's also stretchy. So there's the eye mask. Next up we have, I already took the wrapper off so I'll show you that, but it's these highlighters from Yes Studio. So it's the Glow Getter highlighter set. It comes in this little plastic zipper pouch that you can store them in, store all your other writing utensils and things in. But each of the highlighters says something different. So it says "Good Vibes Only," "Slay in It," "Glow Getter," "Kiss My Neon," and #goals. And they're really fun colors too. Whoops. So there's those. Okay, next up is a Bath & Body item. So this is from Brew. It is, it's a coffee scrub, but it's also a body butter, so it's both things. The glare is kind of bad on that, but you get the idea. So it's the fun name that we came up for it is Rise and Grind, but it's coconut rum scented. So it's a coffee scrub that smells like coconut rum. It's amazing, it's heaven. I've used it multiple times and I love it. And it's a really good size for, you know, this little jar too. You can get quite a few uses out of that. Okay, next up we have a pot holder from Twisted Wares. It says "Good in Bed" and it's breakfast. You get it. So the back is a quilted black fabric and the front has a little pocket. Super nice quality. So there's that. We also got a tea sample from Snarky Tea. We are obsessed with them. So the scent, the flavor is Wake the Fuck Up. And so this flavor is cinnamon black tea. So it comes with instructions, all the ingredients, stuff like that, but there's that tea sample. And then last up for box items, we have the collectible sticky note for this month. So this month's design says "Hustle for the Vacay," and it has a little tropical pattern on it. It's a 50 sheet post-it sticky note pad, so you know it's gonna stay stuck. It's super high quality, and everybody gets this item. So whether you get a box, the big box, or the shirt, you're gonna get this with your order. All right, last up is the shirt design for this month, which I'm wearing. Let me see if I can. It says, "I don't rise and shine, I caffeinate and hope for the best," which is so true. Gotta have my morning caffeine. But it is on a heather maroon t-shirt. We have some extras left, extra small up to 3X. It's a unisex shirt size. Okay, last thing I want to show you guys is this month's add-on item. So every subscriber has the option to add on a specific item that we pick that's themed with that month's theme. So this month it is, I want to show you the box first. So it's a trinket tray or ring dish, whatever you want to call it, but it's from Fringe. This is just the box. It says "Get Shit Done." So it is this gorgeous ceramic tray with a gold foil that says "Get Shit Done." It's a really nice size, we use it at home for our keys and our sunglasses. Look how pretty that is. So we have some extra boxes, a few of the items left, some of the shirts, and then just a couple of the add-on items. So I'm gonna post all those links. If you want to sign up for October, again, the theme is like totally retro. It's going to be really fun, and I'll post that link as well. Thanks.